In this video, I want to talk about how you can withdraw XRP from eToro. Now there are two ways to do this. The first one is you need to download eToro Money. This is an app you need to download on your phone, and this is basically a crypto wallet for eToro. So download eToro Money. Don't worry, it's made by the same company. So download that, and once you have eToro Money and you've set it up, what you need to do is transfer your XRP. So how this works is you want to go to your portfolio on eToro, click on XRP, select the position, and then you want to click transfer to wallet. What this will do is it will send from eToro to eToro Money, and then once you have it on the eToro Money, you can sell it and stuff like that from in there. Now the second way to do this is when you put it into eToro Money, if you want to get it to an external address, you can just click on send and you will be able to send it to an external address. Now you can also, as an alternative, just come in here, portfolio, close your position, get the money, and then just withdraw it. Now these are the ways to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.